Hi everybody, I'm Alex at DoES Liverpool in the Fabric District of Liverpool. I'm reaching out to you during this COVID crisis because we're working away here on providing PPE equipment to the NHS and community outreach workers. We've been working now for 4 or 5 days looking at a range of different designs that people have come up with nationally and globally to evaluate what would be most suitable to deliver locally and to others around the country. At this point now, we have a design for 3D printing, and we have a design for laser cutting. The 3D printing design based on a standard Prusa design that we believe is accepted by medical establishment overseas, and a laser cut design which is much faster, we can deliver more of. So I'm going to hand you over to Adrian McEwen, who's leading the effort here to look into those designs.
So we've been keeping the machines busy here at DoES Liverpool. These are a variety of the 3D printed designs we've been experimenting with. This one's probably the favourite at the moment, which is a Czech Republic Health Authority kind of authorised design. You pair the 3D printed part with a visor with holes punched out of it, then some elastic to hold it on. We've also been looking at how we can use the laser cutters we have here at DoES Liverpool. So this is a flat sheet material. This takes a fraction of the time to cut out that the 3D print does. And then you pair it the same with a visor with the holes punched to give you a laser cut option.
We don't have much time to get PPE like this into the hands of NHS medical practitioners and community outreach workers. Maybe 2 weeks if we're lucky. We've invested in a number of additional 3D printing machines, but we need your help to purchase consumables, plastics to print with and to cut with. If you can help us, please contact us by email at COVID, COVID, at doesliverpool.com. Thank you.